Hi everyone. In this lecture, I will teach you that what is the impact of changing any parameter from the parametric list and its impact on the antenna band. So first I'm going to change the width of this antenna. I will be using the parametric sweep. In the parametric sweep, I will add new sequence and the new parameter will be the width, which is represented with W. So I will choose the linear sweep from here and I will change the width from 6 to 8. And I will choose the step width to be 0.5. So it will give us 5 linear results. So I will start the simulation. The simulation will complete for each step and we will see that the patch width is decreasing, antenna width is decreasing. So I have got all the results. As I am interested in the S11 parameter, so I will see the S11 parameter from the 1D results here. So you can see these are all the results of 5 different parameters of the W. So I will choose from 1D results. For W equal to 7, I get this result. And for W equal to 6, the antenna S11 dip shift to 16 GHz. So from here I got an idea that if I decrease the width of this antenna, then the band of this antenna or the operating frequency is shifting towards right. So here in our case, if I change these values, I get different result because I have got 5 S11 results. So in our case, I am choosing the antenna width to be 8 because for 8 I get more desired results. You can see here. So I will fix this value, the antenna width 8, position value 8. So the parametric list W will be fixed to 8, which is already 8. So I will put in value 8 here. And so after fixing the width of the page, I can change another parameter through parametric sweep and see the impact on its bandwidth and its operating frequency. So here I am going to choose the length of the page now. So I will apply parametric sweep here on this length. So I will delete the previous results and I will put another parameter which is the length of the page. So I will start from 4 and I will stop on 6 and the step width should be 0.5. I will get 5 linear results. So I am going to start the simulation. The simulation will start and for each simulation the page length would change. Like in the first it would be 4. In the second simulation, it would be 4.5 and so on. It will reaches up to the final value, which is 6. So the simulation will take some time and you can see or you can observe that the patch length is changing. Now I have got the simulation results. So we will go to the 1D results section and we will open the S11 parametric results and you can see these are all the results. So if we go to the 1D results of the S parameters, now here you can see we have different results. If I go to the results navigator, here for 7.5 width and length equal to 5, I get this band. If I change the width, because these are previous results in the parametric results navigator, so I can see the previous and the new results as well. Here I got 10.9 GHz operating frequency. If I keep these parameters, if I change the parameter like the length is changed to 4.5 or 5.5, I get a band between 13 and 14. So I am interested in different bands. Like if I keep these values like width is 7, length is 5, I get 15.5 GHz. if I want to shift to 13 or any other parametric operating frequency, I will change these values. Like for L equals to 4 and width is equals to 5, I get this band, which is approximately 10.5. So if I am interested in this frequency, which is 10.9, I will go to the 3D geometry and I will fix the length equals to 4. So I will fix this value. Now I have deleted the previous things, so I will update the parametric results. I will update it from here. And now after changing the length of the page, you may see that the feed length has also reduced. And now to keep it up to the substrate size, as I have changed the length of the page from 5 to 4, so I will change the substrate length from 12 to 11. Now after changing it, I will update the parameter and see the result. Now you can see that the feed line has reached to the substrate edge. So as we have initialized, or we have used a port here. So this port which is connected to the ground plane, here you can see this is connected to the ground plane and the feed line. So if I zoom it, we can further see the detailed view of it. Now after fixing the length and width of this, I'm again interested to change the width of the page. So I will apply the parametric sweep again. So I should further optimize this variable. So I will go to the parametric sweep. I will delete the previous results. And I will create new parameter. And this time I am choosing again the width of the page. So I will choose W and I will start from 7 and I will choose the ending point as 8. The step width should be 0.2. So now I will get 6 linear results. So I'm going to start the simulation so that I may see results for all these different values of width of the page. So I'm going to start a simulation. So here you should note that when the simulation is continues, with each simulation, with each step size, the step size of the antenna page width would be changing. Like once simulation is completed, the page would be different for the another, because I have initialized some parameters in the parameter range in the parametric sweep. So while designing this antenna, you might have noticed one thing, that when we increase the page size, the operating frequency which you have seen in the S11 graph, so the operating frequency get reduced. If we increase the page size, the operating frequency of the antenna get reduced. And when we decrease the page size, the operating frequency increase. So it is like inversely proportional to each other. When the page size is small, the antenna is operating at high frequency. When the page size is large, the antenna is operating at low frequency. So you might have noticed this thing in all the parametric sweep procedures. So the simulation process is now completed. So I will go and I will see the results. Since the width of the page was from 7 to 8 and I got 5 or 6 parametric results for the S11 parameter. So now I am going to open the plots. In the 1D results of the S parameter, you can see all these results are present. So I will go to the results navigator. Now you can see that when I have increased the page length or page width from 7 to 8, I got these results. So for page width equal to 7, I got these results. The antenna is operating at 11 GHz frequency. Note that the page length is poor for all these experiments. 7.2 I got this result. For 7.4 this result, and for 7.8 I got this result, and for 8 I got this result. So these are all the different variations in the page width, and these are the different results which I have got. So you can see that it is lower than minus 10 dB. So I can choose any one of them, whichever you like you can choose, because there is no big difference in the operating frequency. But here I observed that at 7.8 page width I get more better results, so I have fixed this value to 7.8, and I have updated the parametric update